Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when the game is not loading on your Windows computer. Now the first step is to run the game as an administrator from the game installation folder. So instead of launching the game from here, you can make a right click on the game, select manage, click on browse local files. It will take you to the game installation folder. Over here you can see that game exe file. Make a double click on the game exe file and then launch the game from here. If that does not work, make a right click, go to properties, go to this tab, put a check on the box which says run this program as an administrator, hit apply, click on OK, make a double click, launch the game and then check. Still not working. This time put a check over here, select Windows 8, hit apply, click on OK, launch the game and then check. Still not working. Then select Windows 7 over here, hit apply, click on OK, launch the game and then check. Still not working. Put a check on disable full screen optimization, hit apply, click on OK and then launch the game. Now when you put a check on all these boxes, still not working, then in that case you can uncheck these boxes and then hit apply, click on OK, follow the next step. Now the next step is to allow the game exe file to your antivirus program. So if you have any third-party antivirus like Avast, Norton, Bitdefender, McAfee, whichever antivirus program you have, allow the game exe file to your antivirus program. Now if you're using Windows Security, then open Windows settings, go to privacy and security and then click on Windows Security and then click on virus and threat protection. Scroll down at the bottom, you will see manage ransomware protection. Click on it, click on allow an app through control folder access, click on yes to allow, click on add an allowed app, click on browse all apps. Now go to the game installation folder. So in my case the game is installed over here, so open the game folder and then select the game exe file and then click on open. Now type in control panel in Windows search box, go to control panel, system and security, Windows Defender Firewall, click on allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall, click on change settings, click on allow another app, click on browse, go to the game installation folder and then open the game folder, select the game exe file and then click on open and then click on add. In my case the game is already added, so once the game is added over here, now you can launch the game and then check. Still not working. The next step is to do not overclock. So if you have overclocked your computer, set it to default, and if you have any overclocking application like MSI Afterburner, Rivatuner or any kind of overclocking application running, you can close it and then you can launch the game. Next step is to try DX11 or DX12 in the launch option. For this, make a right click on the game, select properties, in the launch option type in -DX11. Now you can launch the game and then check. If that does not work, you can even try -DX12 and then check. Still not working, then follow the next step. You can remove this, empty it and then follow the next step. Next step is to rename or delete the save game files. When you rename the save game files, you will lose all the game progress. You have to start everything from scratch. So create a backup first. So if you agree, you can just go to File Explorer and then go to this PC, open C drive. Now open users folder. Now open your username folder. Now open app data folder. If you don't see app data at the top, click on view, select show, put a check on hidden items over here and then open app data, open the local folder. Over here you can see the game folder, make a right click and then create a backup. So copy this folder and maybe paste to the desktop. Once you have a backup created, now you can rename this folder. Now once you rename it, now you can launch the game, but the game will start from scratch. You will lose all the game progress. Now the next step is to verify the game files. Now for this, make a right click on the game, select properties, go to install files tab and then click on verify integrative game files. Once the verification is 100% complete, launch the game and then check. Still not working. The next step is to perform a clean installation of your graphics driver. So if you have NVIDIA card, go to NVIDIA website. If you have AMD card, go to AMD website. I'm showing for NVIDIA. So to perform a clean installation, go to NVIDIA website and then select your graphic card from the list. Make sure that you select your graphic card and then select the right operating system. So if you have Windows 11, select Windows 11. If you have Windows 10, select Windows 10 and then click on find. And once you click on find, you will see this page. Now here you will find the latest GeForce Game Ready driver. Now click on view and then once you click on view, you will see the download option. Click on download and let the download complete. Now once the download is complete, run the exe file. Now once you run the exe file, you will see this screen. Click on agree and continue and then select custom option over here. By default Express would be selected. Select custom and then click on next, and then you will see this screen. Now put a check on the box which says perform a clean installation. Make sure you put a check on perform a clean installation and then click on next and let the installation complete. Once the installation is complete, restart your computer, and after the system restart, launch the game. Now the next step is to run the game on dedicated graphic card. Now for this, type in graphics settings in Windows search box and then click on graphics settings, and then click on add desktop app over here, and then go to the game installation folder, open the game folder, select the game exe file, click on add. Once the game is added over here, find the game in the list. Once the game is added, click on the game over here. Over here select high performance, you will see a graphic card over here. Select high performance, then launch the game. Still not working. Next step is to update Windows to the latest version. This is important, so open Windows Update and then settings and then Windows Update and then click on check for update. Once all the updates are installed over here, then restart your computer, and after the system restart, launch the game. Next step is to install Visual C++ file. Now for this, copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. On this website, you will see Visual Studio files. You have to download this x86 and x64. Download both the files. Click on it. Click on the exe file. Run this exe file. Now, if you see the repair option, click on repair. If you see the install button, hit install. Click on yes to allow. Download this x64 file and then run this exe file as well. Now, if you see the repair option, click on repair. If you see the install button, hit install and let the installation complete. Make sure both the files are installed and then restart your computer. Restart is a must after this, and after the system restart, launch the game and then check. Still not working. The next step is to unplug all the external devices which you're not using. So if you have HOTAs, wheel, pedals, any kind of USB adapter connected which you're not using, disconnect it. Disconnect extra controller. Sometimes we have extra controller connected, disconnected. Disconnect multiple monitor. Try launching the game on single monitor. Also disable Steam overlay. Now for this, you can go to Steam, make a right click on the game, select properties, and then go to the general tab, turn off the option which says enable the Steam overlay while in game, and then check. If you have any other overlay application like running, like if you have Discord running, go to Discord settings and turn off overlay. Now if you have NVIDIA app running, go to NVIDIA app settings and turn off NVIDIA overlay. So close all the overlay application and then launch the game. If you have any third-party software or any application running, you can close it and then check. If you have undervolted the computer, remove the undervolt and then launch the game. Next step is to increase the virtual memory. So to increase the virtual memory, type in View Advanced System Settings in Windows search box and then click on View Advanced System Settings and then click on the first settings and then go to Advanced tab and then click on Change over here and then select the drive. So uncheck the box which says automatically manage paging file size for all drives. Uncheck this box and select the drive where the game is installed. So select the drive, and then once you select the right drive, now put a check on custom size, and for initial size it's 1.5 into total RAM. So you can check the total RAM in Windows settings. You can go to system and then go to about, and total RAM in my case is 16 GB. So you can calculate accordingly. In my case it's 16 GB, so I will calculate as per 16 GB. So, and first of all we have to convert 16 GB into megabyte. So we will open calculator. So type in calculator in run box and then click on OK, and over here it's 1.5 into total RAM. Total RAM in my case it's 16 GB. So 16 into 1024 is actually 1 GB is equal to 1024 megabyte. So 16 GB in megabyte will be 16384 into 1.5. 1.5 into total RAM. This is my total RAM in megabyte. Now 1.5 into total RAM that is into 1.5. So in my case, initial size is 24576, 24576, and maximum size is 3 into total RAM. Now total RAM in my case that is 16 gigabyte. I have 16 gigabyte of RAM. So 16 into 1024. I have converted this in megabyte. Now that is 3 into total RAM. So total RAM is this much into 3. That is 49152. 49152. 4915152. Now click on set over here. Then click on OK. OK. Apply. OK. OK. Now restart computer. Make sure that you restart your computer after this. Now still not working. The last step is to uninstall and reinstall the game to different drives. So if nothing is working, you can make a right click on the game, select manage, click on uninstall. After the uninstall, go to the game installation folder, delete the game folder, restart your computer, and then install the game to C drive. So if the game is installed to D drive or E drive, any external drive, try to install the game to C drive and then check. If the game is already installed to C drive, try to install the game to another SSD and then check. Do not ignore this step. And once you reinstall the game, now you can launch the game and then check. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to run this game successfully on your Windows computer. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.